Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2006 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to remove and replace the power control module, or PCM. Some people also call it the ECU, electronic control module. This video applies to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, so here is my new PCM. So in my case, in my F-150, check engine light kept coming on and the car would shut off while driving just pretty much any time. So all the codes were related to the throttle body, and we tried replacing the throttle body, cleaning it, replacing bunch of sensors, checking all the wires, and the codes were still here and all the same symptoms. So we started doing a bit more research and we ended up that the PCM is bad, that it's giving the false signals, and that's why all this is happening. So what I did, I got the replacement PCM online through eBay, pre-programmed and ready to be used. They've sent me also 2 new keys with it. Keys were also pre-programmed to this vehicle. All I had to do, just take it to a local locksmith and cut them, which cost me like 12 bucks. And yeah, now I will show you how to replace it. If you get a used PCM from a car salvage or any place like that, you just can't replace it. It's not plug and play, it has to be programmed to the VIN number. New keys have to be made. So in that case you will have to take your car to the Ford dealer and have them replace it, reprogram it, and cut you the new keys, and that will actually cost you much more than buying used pre-programmed PCM from a reputable company like I did. I did that in the past couple of times and it worked out beautiful every time. Okay, to start you want to lift up the front hood, and now the power control module is very easy accessible. It's located right here and it's held by 4 10mm screws. So one will be here, one will be here, and 2 on the other side as well. One here and the other one just down there, you can see it. But before you start unplugging all these connectors, make sure to disconnect the negative battery pole. That's a must do. Okay, so to disconnect the negative battery pole, all you have to do is loosen up this nut right here. In my case it's 13mm, and then just wiggle the cable off. Just like this. Okay, so once you have disconnected the battery, next thing to do would be to disconnect all these connectors. Now there's a couple of these switches on top of it, so all you have to do, pull this towards yourself all the way, so just like this, and that should completely release these connectors and you should be able just to easily unplug it. And now once everything is unplugged, there is only one thing left to do. You have to remove 4 10mm screws, which I showed you before. So this one here, and 2 on the other side as well. Okay, so these are the screws. They are quite long, and once they are out, your PCM power control module will be completely loose and ready to be removed. And now you can, once you pull it out, you can install the new one. Okay, now one very important thing. If you're getting the used PCM, you have to make sure that the part number is completely the same. In my case, this is the part number 6L3A12A650 BPA. It has to be completely the same, especially those last 3 digits, they are usually different. You have to make sure to get exactly the same number, because if you don't get it, then most likely your new PCM will not work. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you remove the old one, and now just install the new one. Install those 4 screws, plug everything back in, and reconnect the battery, and hope for the best. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.